How you guys doing? Now today we're talking about two separate stem plants that look very similar. Originally there was going to be a third one, but I'm not going to include that plant because 3 days ago it came in looking like coconut trees, and basically what happened was all the leaves shed off the stem and there was only a little bit of leaves left on the tip. So I'm not going to include that, but I will mention the name. And it's called Pogostemon stellatus, and it looks very similar to these two stem plants also. So let's get down to it. The one to the left is Ludwigia Cuba, and now the colors are not that bright because I stopped dosing fertilizers in my tank and I lowered my light because I got algae, and that algae was not because of CO2 or anything. Everything was going exactly how it used to. It's because I dug out a bunch of substrate whenever I rescape my tank. So trying to battle the algae with water changes. So the one to the right is Limnophila Aromatica, and these two plants can easily be confused because of their colors and how their stem and leaf form structures. So one distinct way to tell the difference between the two is the Limnophila Aromatica has serrated leaves, much like sections dividing the leaves, and each little section that it comes up to, the leaves gets more narrow and more narrow. So as you can see there, and the Ludwigia Cuba just have straight leaves. So that is by far the best way to tell. You can also tell by color. And this Ludwigia Cuba is not as bright of color. And if it was at the brightest that it can be, it will probably be very similar to the Limnophila Aromatica.